In this video, we will understand the two important concepts in Mahabharata, that is Dandaniti and Rajdharma, and also evaluate how the two are related to one another. The concept of Dandaniti can be best understood when we understand the meaning of the term Dand itself. Dand means force or the administration of force or punishment. As a result, Dandaniti means the art of governance or the science of governance. So, this basically means it is the art of governance where the administration of force or punishment is dealt with by the king so that the injustice does not prevail in the kingdom and justice is served. According to Rajdharma or the Dharma of the king, it is the duty of the king, or we can say that the onus lies upon the king to correct injustice or to serve justice. So Rajdharma deals with the guidance of the kings on the art of administration. Therefore, the art of punishment or Dandaniti is subordinated to the concept of Rajdharma, and this is the relation between the two. The primary meaning of the word Danda is stick, from which its later meaning Niti can be easily inferred. Niti basically means science. So, we can also say that it is the science of chastisement or the science of punishment. Now, after understanding the etymology of the term danda, we can say that it can be understood as a fine or coercion or force or a means to correct injustice or punishment or simply justice. For example, Prathama Sabha Danda is the punishment of fine. It is important to note that the concept of Danda and Dandaniti has been dealt in a number of ways in Indian philosophy. So, to give you a brief, Danda and Dandaniti have been dealt by Lord Brahma, Lord Brihaspati, and lastly Kautilya. We will now understand these three in detail. According to Lord Brahma and Lord Brihaspati, as per the Mahabharata, the sacred Hindu epic, Lord Brahma was the first one to write Dandaniti. It comprised of 1 lakh chapters. So, as per the Vedic text, it is in the presence or whenever there arises a conflict, the conflict has to be resolved. That is, it is the Niti, a policy practiced by all kings alike. So, we can understand that this is basically mandatory in nature, that it has to be done by all kings alike. These conflicts could occur between different people or different members of the same family or workers, etc. Now, the way or the means to resolve a conflict could vary. It could be done by the means of Sam, Dan, Bheda, and Danda. Now, let's understand these in detail. Sama means negotiation, Dana means incentives, Bheda means division, and Danda, as we have studied, means punishment. So, this basically means that when we try to resolve a conflict, we could choose either of these, that is, either negotiation, incentives, divisions, or punishment. For example, Mahabharata deals with the Kurukshetra war, which was based on the conflict that arose between the family members, that is, the Kauravas and the Pandavas. So, in order to resolve the conflict, the means were tried. So, the firstly, Sama or negotiations was tried, but it did not work out because the rightful heir Yudhishthir was not given the kingdom. Then Dana or incentives, and then the means of Bheda or division of the kingdom was also used. When all the negotiations, the incentives, and the divisions failed, lastly what was left was Danda. Thus, Dandaniti or going to war to avenge injustice was followed, as shown in the Mahabharata. This shows that the Pandavas had followed the policy of using the means to correct injustice or Dandaniti. It is also important to note that Lord Brahma's Dandaniti was reduced to 10,000 chapters by Lord Shiva. It is known as Vishishtika. Further, Indra reduced the Vishishtika to 5,000 chapters and it was called Bahudannaka. The modifications were not over yet. Later, Brihaspati reduced the Bahudanyaka to 3000 chapters and named it Brihaspatya. According to him, Brihaspatya is the work on science of politics. It should be studied by all the four Varnas. As you would know, all the four Varnas are Brahmin, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Shudras. Now, lastly, the Usanas reduced the Brihaspatya to 1000 chapters and named it Nitisara. Now, if you look at the diagram which is showing on the screens, this basically is depicting that the different modifications were made to the Dandaniti. The first was Lord Brahma's Dandaniti, which had 1 lakh chapters, and lastly, there was a modification done by Usanas and it was called Nitisara, which only had 1000 chapters. Now, coming to the third person, that is Kautilya. Kautilya accepted 4 sciences. They are, the first is Anvikshaki, second Trayai, third Varta, and fourth Dandaniti. Because the topic of this video is Dandaniti, we will understand Dandaniti in detail, but let us also make sure that we are familiar with the first 3 sciences, that is Anvikshaki, Trayai, and Varta. Anvikshaki is basically known as the science of philosophy. Trayai deals with the study of 3 Vedas, Rig, Sam, and Yajur. As you would know, Atharva Veda was added later. These 3 deal with the duties of a man that one must perform in accordance to one's castes. Varta is also known as the science of wealth. And now coming to the fourth science, that is Dandaniti. Dandaniti, according to Kautilya, is known as the science of government. Kautilya focuses on this in his Arthashastra. Kautilya in his text Arthashastra says, Dandaniti means the science of government, which is also similar to using force to control the errant elements or disturbing elements in the society. As the name rightly suggests, Danda means rod or stick, a symbol of force or state power. He also mentions that Dandaniti should be the basis of Purusharthas or the goals of human life. He identified 4 purposes for the Dandaniti. They are acquisition of unacquired, preservation of the preserved, augmentation or increasing the preserved, and lastly, fair distribution of the preserved. So by these 4 purposes, Kautilya basically says that Dandaniti should be used or can be used when we have to acquire something or preserve something or augment or increase the preservation or the preserved, and lastly, fair distribution of the preserved should be done. In case these are not done, then the Dandaniti should be used. Question: the concept of Dandaniti by Kautilya is given in. The answer is Arthashastra. Dandaniti means the science of government according to Arthashastra by Kautilya.